Electron discharge machining, also known as spark erosion, uses a graphite or copper electrode placed in an electrolytic bath of water or oil. The electrode discharges a spark that strikes the tool wall. This area reaches melting temperature but is then cooled by the liquid bath, resulting in a thermal shock that causes the metal to fragment into tiny particles, which are then flushed away. All of this happens in a small fraction of a second. Spark erosion works on hard and soft metals alike and can produce very tight tolerances. It's ideal for making deep, thin slots, sharp concave corners, debossed lettering and other features that would otherwise be hard or impossible to machine conventionally. Also, a very fine and smooth finish can be achieved, which eliminates time-consuming and expensive hand polishing.